few minutes, I'm going to show you my full swing trading strategy that made me profitable after being an intraday trader for the past 3 to 4 years. I've finally been able to become profitable with my simple macro flow method that is a repeatable swing trading strategy, and it's based on 3 main pillars, which are direction, structure, and risk. Direction is the one that fundamental give me. Structure is where I find my entry point, and risk is how I manage my position. So we have a top-down analysis that gives us a repeatable and proven process that I can repeat each week and follow without any hesitation. So for example, my first point that I do on the weekend is macro bias, and I do that by coming into my macro flow full scoring metrics, which is a software that I built that gives me a score on the possible tradable asset for the next following week. Like for example, for this week, we have a really strong USD dollar, and I'm able to see how assets should behave and the macroeconomics and the institutional positioning and everything that you need to know in order to have a full view of the macro perspective of the asset. So you have a clear and unnegotiable direction for the following week. So you don't guess anymore the trend, but you know that the asset should go in a specific trend, so either bullish or bearish. And based on that, you just try to enter in the most appropriate way. Here, for example, you also have the COT report, where you see the latest COT change in positioning. That could be really insightful. But I'm going to show you a full trade that I took on this specific challenge, where I'm up 70%. You can see that that's the first challenge that I bought here on the Hala Prime prop firm, and I'm currently up 70%. It's been like 2 to 3 weeks. So as I said, on the weekend, I come to the full scoring metrics, and I see how market should behave for the following week. Then I come to the chart and just import all the assets on my fundamental picks, and on that I start to do my technical analysis. So this is all the factors that are inside my macroflow grid. You can find everything for free in my community. There's this BGF and also the custom indicator that I built for swing trading and intraday trading. So how I time my entry with structure, I basically look at if structure agree, so high and low, and if there's any liquidity sweep, break of structure, favorable gap, and on top of, and based on that, I enter into a discount or premium zone, my optimal trading entering zone, fair value gap, and higher time frame and minor time frame aligned. That's my pre-trade checklist, and that's the risk. So for example, the trade that I took on this challenge were on GBP, USD, and RUSD, as you can see here. That's how the asset was when I took the trade. You can clearly see that the indicator showed me a liquidity sweep, followed by a break of structure, with some clear imbalance left that were filled, a clear supply zone, and I just placed my entry on the 71 level of the Fibonacci level. And you can see with your eyes how this trade played out. There we go. I did the same thing for RUSD, the same exact thing. This is how it was displayed. So here it already, there we go, break of structure, supply, Fibonacci level, imbalance. I just put my position in, got filled, and this was a really amazing trade. And I just do this each and every week. Come to my full scoring metrics, understand how the macro world is moving, and I have a list of assets that I can trade. So it's really basic and repeatable. I come to the chart, do my analysis, technical analysis. You can see the red one is the bearish one, and the one unflagged are the bullish one. And if there is any setup that I like, I just put my limit with a fixed amount of risk, and let the chart do its job. So it's a really stress-free type of trading. I have a full-time job, so that's why I switched from swing trading, where before I was an intraday trader, trying to get every Nasdaq move, but it was pretty stressful. And if you try to trade, if you are trying or have tried in the past to trade as an intraday or even scalper, you know how much stressing and time-consuming it is. And I really suggest you to try swing trading because it's really a relief, and also it's way easier to follow your rules without getting into the typical psychological trading problem. I'm documenting my journey on getting funded, so you can join my channel and you can join my community for free and get the indicator that I showed you. Just join. Here you get the free toolkit where I give a bunch of stuff for free. There's also the full scoring metrics for the paid one. Keep sure to, it is a really basic strategy that is helping me on getting funded. Let's see if I will be able to get funded and maybe receive even my first payout.